Quorion QTouch 10, which has a touch screen, a customer facing display and a built-in thermal receipt printer. The receipt printer can also be set for doing barista printing, kitchen printing, that sort of thing, or it can also take an external kitchen printer. To make sales through the system, it's just a case of selecting the items that you want, pressing the button to send it through to EFTPOS or cash, however you want to pay for it. With EFTPOS and EFTPOS integration, it will send it through to the EFTPOS machine. You process the transaction through the EFTPOS machine, and if accepted, it goes straight back to the machine, to the till. With your sales, of course, pushing cash automatically puts the sale through. Also with the QTouch 10, it does have the ability to put things onto tables. So we'll ring up a couple of items, and we can open up a table and put it onto table number 1. So let's now save those onto table number 1 for payment at a later date. When the customer comes back to pay it, you can open up the table again. We'll bring up the items that are already rung on there. If the customers wanted to pay for parts of the sale separately, you can use the split. Select what it was that you wanted to pay for. Hit invoice and then the way that they are paying. And that will relieve the rest on the table. Then that table can be printed off or put through as a sale to even a different media type. The system also has a couple of different modes that you can put it into. Using the mode button, you can change to your reports or to the manager mode. Now the manager mode can be used for changing your prices quickly. Using one and subtotal puts it into quick price entry. From there you can put the new price of an item into it. So we'll say $5. Hit the item that you want to change the price to, and that item now has a price of $5. Hit subtotal finishes that programming, and you can change your mode back to reg. Then when you sell that item, you will see that it's actually $5. For your receipt, you can have that turned off. When you put through a transaction, if it is turned off, the receipt itself won't print, but any kitchen printing will still print out of the printer. If the customer then asked you for a receipt, you could still print off the receipt simply by hitting the subtotal. At the end of the day, to run off your reports, you would change your mode to Z, which is your reports with reset. X is for reports that you're running at the during the day to see what your balances are. So you hit Z, cash, brings up your list of reports. You would do a daily report. They will print off what all your sales are and leave the till cleared, ready for the next day when you put it back into reg mode. Thank you very much.